everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Miss. I am here back again with an unboxing of soap supplies, ingredients. Okay, why I'm doing this type of stuff of videos? Because I need this for my record, my personal record in my channel, because it's my channel. Then again, yeah. It's the beginning of the year 2019, so I like to purchase my ingredients in this time of the year because it's the weather is cold, you know, and the supplies arrive to you. They don't melt, they don't get bad because they are in the cold weather. So if they are sitting in the truck, in the mailing truck, they don't get bad. So it's a great time to purchase ingredients. So ingredients, restock your stuff, and you have all the year to do soap and everything and such. Okay, so this is from BeScented. I was needing some stuff from her. This is the first order I make from BeScented, because I ordered from Jen before, from Agents and such, or como se llame. I don't forget, I will put the name in the description box, so you go and check her website also, because she have great supplies for soaping. So let's open this. The shipping was really fast. It didn't took like not a week. It was great time. She is not far away from me, so I am in Tennessee and she's in Virginia, maybe. Yeah. So these are my soap supplies and my invoice, and as I pick up stuff, I will be checking I get everything. Okay, so thank you. Okay, let me see if the invoices doesn't show on camera, because I don't want everyone to say how much I spent. No, being a soaper is not expensive. It's not cheap. So let's see. Okay, we have here some fragrance oils that I need and I want to try. It has some bubbles. I purchased some matte white pigment powder for water. This is dissolving water. I have the dissolvable in oil, but I want to use the one that is dissolving water, obviously. I also got for free white kaolin clay. I have plenty of kaolin clay, believe me. Lot of kaolin clay. I ordered, oh my god, I want to try this, the laurel berry oil. Yes, I'm going to use this for as you can see, the weather is very cold and the oil solidify inside the bottle. So yes, going to try this. You know what I'm going to make. If you know, please comment what you think that I'm going to make with this oil. Yeah. Ah, it smells good. The first breath that I took, it was like boom, but now that I gave it a chance, it smells good. Okay, really tight. This one is expensive, okay guys. China Rain. I purchased soap with the China Rain fragrance, and I was in love with it, so I want to use the fragrance for other stuff. Yes, I like it. I really like it because spring is coming. Then I got this for free Magic Purple Mica because my order got me 2 rewards, so I got the purple mica. This is a surprise. I didn't know I got a mica, so I think I got the purple one. Thank you very much. And the Kaolin Clay. Those 2 are the rewards. Let me see. Let me see. Sorry about that. Okay, I did purchase a mica. It was a turquoise green mica. It came in a bag inside a bottle. Yes. Then I purchased oxide. I love to use this type of green in my soaps because it's a green. It's darker green. It's not like a neon green. I don't like the I like the neon green, but I don't love it. So this one I love. This is oxide, and I can use this one also in bath bombs. This one is Jello number 5. I got this one in a sample for Nurture soaps, and I got this one Jello number 6 in sample for Nurture soaps, but I found that the price from BeScented was more good. And I am not sure if Nurture soap is still carrying them. So here are the fragrances that I ordered. As I can see, there are 12. I ordered Sparking Mojito, Cherry Citrus, Mahogany Teakwood, Salty Mariner, Bish by Bobbi Brown, Rosemary Mint. Sorry about my English. I'm doing my best. Eucalyptus Spearmint, Beer and Margarita Lime, Dracar, Beach Cabana, Dexesty by Tokyo. So those are the fragrances that I ordered, and I will be trying. Some of them I already have in soaps that I purchased from other soapers, and I am in love with them, but they will not last me forever, and I will use them. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these products, if you used them before, in the comments down below. And thank you so much. God bless. Love you all. Bye bye.